Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and we are back with another purging video, and this was requested to see my washi tapes, and as I mentioned, I have gone through some of them already, so I pulled back out some of the ones I already put in the donate pile so you guys could see sort of everything I looked at before I made my decision. This isn't all of my washi tape either, and man, this is a lot. I kept out all the ones from Christmas aren't here because those are obviously brand new and they're still out on display for how cute they are. I do have some that are in kits some places that haven't been pulled out, but my main drawers are this one, which is my color organized drawer, my thin washi tapes from Mambi, which is me and my big ideas, other thin washi tapes, neutral washi tapes go in this one that sits on my desk. And then I also have overflow, which is usually these really large rolls that take up a lot of space for no reason. So to put it frankly, we're getting rid of some today. The first set I'm getting rid of is this brand new set from the Dollar Tree. I just won't use those, but you can see here that these are actually meant for planning. So they have some, like there it says days left. I wish it's got an underline before it, so it says blank days left, so you can sort of keep track. We got some glitters, we got some golds. This one says make it happen, hot pink, just not my normal color scheme, but I will be passing these along. I wish the reflection wasn't so bad. There you go, better look at those. So those will be passed along, and then the process I went through for the rest of these was just going bin by bin. So in terms of my colored one, I just went through and picked out some. Some of these don't work too well. They're a little bit frustrating to work with. These ones from Target specifically I'm donating. A couple more over there. These two aren't really my style, the X's and O's, and then the hearts. This is just because this is not a pure white and it's not translucent. It kind of leaves like a yellowish color, so I'm going to get rid of those. Some of these I really should part with, and whoops, it just stuck to me and flew out, and I didn't. But I am getting rid of this blue geometric. I just never use it. It's a very beautiful washi tape, and it works just fine. It's just not a pattern that I vibe with very much. Now, could I get rid of a bunch more? Yes, I debated getting rid of a ton more. This lime green one, I rarely reach for. I really should get rid of this polka dot one. I really should. You know what, I think I will. This is a Heidi Swap one, and it's got a very light green dot to it, but you can't really see it when you put it on paper. It like is all translucent, so we'll part with that one. Some of the ones from the overflow bin that I have this Disney one, this little blue one I'm going to get rid of. This is from the 33-cent bin at Michael's. It looks like I have used it actually, probably just for my swatch book, but it's just a little blue floral. Let me do an up close because obviously washi tape's a little harder to see from that distance, but it's just a little blue floral, but I never use this color really, so we're going to pass that along. Then I really should part with some of these extra florals. Okay, you know what, we're definitely getting rid of this pink glitter. I don't use pink glitter. This is unused. I'm not going to actually open it, but this is not my color. I did keep the red glitter though, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep the rest of the ones that are in here. Some of them I could part with, like I should part with this. I really should. But am I going to? I really love it though. But there is whoever made this pattern and it got printed either wrong, but there is a gap in the pattern so you can really see it. But that's okay. It's still usable, still usable. That's fine. I'm trying to see if I want to get rid of any more of these. Eek. I don't know about all these florals. So these are the Jen Hadfield set I believe I bought, and I think some of them are in here still maybe. Oh, well, they're different sizes, so they're definitely not all together. These two are the same size though. I've never used any of these four. These ones might be me and my big ideas, like are from in here. I really don't need to keep all of these, do I? Or I could, and just pretend that I didn't say I should get rid of any of them. They can just all fit in here like a happy little family. This one I'm going to get rid of though. This little guy, now that I've seen it. It's just a black and blue star print. Don't really need it. Not my thing. I also have some repeat colors in here, and I don't need 3 mint washi tapes. This one's pretty new, so I'll donate that one and keep the other one. I think these are the same color. Can't tell because they're not next to, no, they are different colors. Well, you know, if they're different colors, you got to keep all of them. That's the rule, right? Me and my big ideas ones are in here. Let's see. The neutrals. Let's hop over there for a second. Actually, you know what? Let's finish off. They just keep rolling everywhere. Black, good one to keep. This one is such a weird color. It's not red, but it's almost red. I don't know, maybe it is red. I guess it is red. You know, we're keeping it. Who says I have to get rid of too many? And again, I have gotten rid of others, but I only pulled out a few that I knew I'd gotten rid of. Like these ones sitting on top of the neutrals, all ones that I decided to get rid of. So if I do a close up here, you will see that we've got some gold metallic, some like bronze metallic. We've got this like Christmas themed one. It's like a light gray, this rose gold, this black chevron, and then this dark gray with hashtag words all over it. So those are already decided to head out. The vertical red heart already went out because I know some people might remember that one. I really should get rid of more. I just like to give washi tape a chance. And so I don't get rid of them, I just hoard them. And I try not to buy more, but as you guys know, I got more for Christmas. So should I be getting rid of even more? Probably should get rid of more. I did not part with any of these super thin ones from Me and My Big Ideas. They're just so simple and easy to use, and I love all of them. Right now, there'll probably be some that I don't like and should get rid of, but they fit so perfectly, I didn't want to get rid of any of them. This is one I struggled with. This is the cat one. It doesn't stick for anything. I don't remember where I got it, and if someone gifted it to me, not your fault. But I don't remember where I got it because it's not the best quality in terms of sticking, but I put glue under my other washi tapes, so this one's, we can do the same thing with. Just trying to see if I wanted to get rid of any of these other ones. And some of these I will never use on a layout if I stop throwing them everywhere. This one says with love over and over and over again. This is one that I would just simply use on my cards and put it on the envelopes, for example. This graduation one's going to be hard for me to ever use up, but I still have graduation photos to scrapbook from me as well as my niece. And she's going to graduate college too, so there's that. This one, again, more of an envelope one, but it is very cute. This one I use on envelopes. A lot of the florals I use on envelopes and not on pages, but like the dog ones I use on pages. Some of the flat colors. You know what, this candy cane vibe one is kind of, okay, look at, why do we need 3? We don't need 3. Let's get rid of the mid pink and keep baby pink and red. We don't need the mid one. And that's because I bought every color they had on clearance at Joann's, and that's why you see a lot of duplicates here. Because then we also have these 3. We actually have 4, but I know that one's not the same brand. Are these two not the exact same? We're getting rid of this one. They're the exact same color. And we'll keep the what I think is red and then also the pink. We'll keep both. I don't think I have a red polka dot, so we do have the red heart polka dot though. The list goes on and on. And this does not include a majority of my Christmas washi tape. I went through my Christmas stuff in one of my Patreon streams. And if you guys haven't seen that already, you can check that out down below. If you're interested in joining Patreon, where there's a ton more behind the scenes of my purging process. And I'll also have linked down below all of the other videos of my purging process. But some of you guys wanted to see washis, so we're here. Do I think I have too many washi tapes? Never. Never could I ever have too many. Do I think I'm holding on to ones I really should get rid of? Yes. But washi tape holds a special place in my heart, as several of you guys already know. And I'm just going to sort these overflows into the color bins they would go in if they could fit. But obviously not everything fits in all of the drawers because there's not enough room for all my washi. And again, I do have an overflow spot where I put the holiday ones or the super large ones, like these ones from Scotch are pretty big, and that's just where I put them. And in comparison, you guys can see here that I love washi tape in that these two are the exact same brand, and I bought them at the exact same time, so they were manufactured the same way. You can see how much is left on the right roll compared to the left roll. I adore this blue floral and the silver polka dot, but blue floral really is the favorite compared to the silver polka dot. I think there's almost double left on silver polka dot versus blue floral. And then, actually we should do a tertiary comparison because I know I use the bronze one the least. I bring these up. Bronze on top has the most left, silver polka dot on the right, and blue floral on the left, with the winning amount used up. So we do have a lot of washi, but as you guys know, I also use washi, so I can make some great dents in my supplies. And it's evident, especially if you compare same brand, same time frame, you'll see that sort of growth in your usage. And I did empty quite a few during the 2020 crafty year, as you guys saw. Did I empty one this month? I don't think so, but I did in December. And these florals are just so pretty. And of course the Disney one I have to keep. I don't know if I'll ever use it, it's just so cute. And then this one, a nice little beachy one. So have I ever counted all my washi tapes? No. If someone wants to count them all in this video, be my guest. But here's what we got rid of. A small drop in the bucket. Again, I did have some other ones I already got rid of and didn't pull out, but it does, they'll all go to a great home, and I hope they are well loved and used. And kids love stickers. I'm sure they're the same way about washi tape. And if you guys want to, you know, get rid of some washi tape that's in your stash, giving it to a child is a great idea. Kids love stickers. They also love sticky tape. So maybe a fun time for them to have. But I know this wasn't a full purge video, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I did pull out to get rid of, at least a small glimpse of it. But I still have my good overflow spots, and those will have to be all packed away since they don't fit into the other bins. But a small drop in the bucket of more to donate, and I think eventually I'll let go of some more of the other ones that I don't love as much as I should and use as much as I should, but one day. That's a one day thing. We'll make baby steps with washi tape because it's hard for me to get rid of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll be back with another purging video very, very soon because I am trying to work through the rest of my stuff before I move because the date's coming up. So I need to get a move-in on going through it all so I can donate it all before the move. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of getting rid of washi tape down below. There's some here that are kind of expired that I'm donating. I have thrown away a couple rolls before because they just go bad sometimes if they're not made properly. So there's some give and take there, but let me know what you guys think of your washi collection and if you should go through it and donate some. We got rid of some that I know I won't use. I'm not fond of words, not fond of certain colors, so it's just easier to pass those ones on. So some low-hanging fruit, if you will, if you want to do it yourself. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.